1.5 acres on deep water of Lake CHATUGE. Brick Ranch West/2-car garage and carport, long-range lake and mountain views. 5 separate potential dwellings. Main home has vaulted ceilings west/exposed beams, open floor plan, stacked stone fireplace, walnut floors, decks, patios, sunroom, full finished daylight basement. Main floor has elegant updated kitchen and baths with quality cabinets, granite countertops. Kitchen has breakfast bar, island. Main house has 3 bedroom/2 bath on main floor, also 1 bedroom, bath upstairs and 1 bedroom, bath down. All 3 levels have separate entrance, kitchen, laundry. Each guest cottage has 1 sleeping area and bath. Cottage at Lake has kitchen and laundry. Total of 6 bedroom/6 bath, 4 kitchens.